Okay, welcome to 8772. We have a balcony room that we won on an upgrade bid. Here you can see a really large couch and a nightstand next to the bed. And then on the left side of the couch there, you'll find the closet, which we'll look at in just a second. Directly above the bed, you'll find this cubby area. And then on each side of the bed, you'll find these lights that have USB ports to charge all your items. On the wall across from the bed, you'll find your TV, along with a couple of storage areas for clothes and other incidentals. Up on top of the desk, you'll find two standard American outlets along with two European outlets. Underneath is where the refrigerator is located. And if you're wondering where the hairdryer is, it's located here, underneath, next to the garbage can and the footstool. The left side of the closet features a number of shelves along with the safe. And the right side of the closet, you'll find a shelf along with your hangers. The bathroom is just your standard bathroom that you'll find on most cruise ships. There's some shelving up on the left side there. The one thing to note though is I thought that the way they placed the toilet, it was a little cramped compared to some that are more on an angle. And you do have a full shower with a shower door as well. Now the balcony is decent sized. It has your typical couple of chairs out here along with an end table to set your coffee or drinks on. And if you're interested in what it's like to board the Getaway or interested in a full ship tour, check out these videos right here. Thanks for watching.